This is where Champion lives here in Melbourne, Australia. These are the neighbors. Neighbor. And look at their plants. Look at this kind. Do you think it's a flower? But no, those are only leaves. The flower is this one. This is that's the flower. Normal, yeah? Yeah. That's the flowers. Look. See? Those are leaves. Flower. And another color, the purple. Those are leaves and the flower of the purple plant. I don't know what's the name of this plant, but yeah. See? It's mixed purple, green, purple. See? It's a unique kind. I'm waiting for my daughter-in-law because she did her she renewed her driver's license, and I'm waiting here outside, so we just go straight to the mall to do our shopping so that Rain won't cry and go with us because she needs a nap. So yeah, these are the neighbors over here. It's a quite nice subdivision though, and close to the mall, close to everywhere.